The specific thematic section is the Serbian Code, the program which brings together children of Serbian nationality from 8 countries in the region. For the second year in a row, girls and boys aged 10 to 12 years have arrived from Kučevište, Staro Nagoričan and Kumanovo in Macedonia, Bjelobrdo and Vukovar in Croatia, Plužine and Andrijevica in Montenegro, Budapest and Batanja in Hungary, from Timisoara in Romania, Skadar in Albania, Ljubljana and Novo Mesto in Slovenia, and from Drvar and Bosansko Grahovo in Bosnia and Herzegovina. During the 15 days, children are taught about the Serbian identity. In the interactive workshops, in an interesting way, they have learned about the first Serbian state, the beginnings of Serbian literacy, folk beliefs, crafts, Serbian village, Serbian holidays, Slava, and the saints, monasteries, about the most important historical figures and events, as well as the signs of the modern Serbian state. The program is based on the book Serbian Code, written by Nena Dilić, Anastasija Vesna Ilić, and Ivica Živković, and the coordinator of the workshops was Nataša Radulović.
Pa naučio sam glagoljicu da pišem i pomalo da čitam, pomalo sam i o tenisu naučio i stekao sam nove prijatelje.
Učili smo još o Svetom Savi, kod nastavnice Dafine učili smo kako da napravimo selo, kuće, kako se koje kuće prave u kojem predjelu.
The children had daily organized sports activities, walks through the nature, and fun. The joy of friendship children have shared with Tatjana Tadić, the patroness of several actions and projects of Naša Srbija, and the Serbian Consul General in Chicago, Desko Nikitović, and his wife Ryan. The project Serbian Code is our contribution to creating a unique cultural and spiritual space for the Serbian people living in neighboring countries.
Mi se trudimo da radimo na srpskom identitetu, da na zanimljiv način nauče što više o srpskoj tradiciji, jeziku, kulturi i običajima i da se povežu što više sa njihovom maticom.
Boravak ovdje ne možemo opisati, to treba doživjeti. Svako dete koje jednom dođe poželi da to ponovi.
Ovdje je 30 učenika iz Crne Gore, iz Plužina 15, iz Andrijevice 15. Ovo je jedino mogla da uradi nevladina organizacija Naša Srbija, da ujedini srpsku djecu.
As the project that has a wider social importance and international character, each year the School of Friendship has the friend country. This year, in the realization of the project, Naša Srbija was joined by another friendly country, Israel, which had, through its embassy in Belgrade and Israeli companies operating in the country, helped the School of Friendship. On that occasion, in cooperation with the Embassy of Israel, there were organized activities that have enriched children's knowledge about this country. As the main event, there was a day dedicated to the friend country Israel. In the presence of the ambassador Artur Kohl, this ceremony brought together friends of Naša Srbija, who along with the children participants of the Serbian Code participated in the celebration of the Day of Israel. President of Serbia Boris Tadić, President of the Republic of Srpska Milorad Dodik, the President of the Executive Board of Bank Intesa Draginja Đurić, Bishop of Lipljan Jovan, guests from the Israeli Embassy, and a number of benefactors, representatives of local and Israeli companies, which through donations that have helped the realization of the School of Friendship. Altogether, they have visited the workshops of the Serbian Code and attended this event and the final of the quiz about Israel. Ambassador Artur Kohl presented the awards to the winning team.
I'm really happy for my embassy and for myself that we are this year's friendship country. I cannot think of any better project to be part of than this wonderful project, which brings together all of you from different countries and not only gives you good time, but also on the one hand strengthens your identity and at the same time teaches for tolerance. When we started working on this project, I was asked by some observers, why did we, as Embassy of Israel, choose this project? And why did we find it unique and special? And my answer was that there are many reasons, but probably the most important one is that it invests in the future of the country. It invests in the future of the people, because the children are the future.
Zemlju u kojima živite treba da čuvate i treba da ih volite. Treba da se družite sa svima koji žive u vašim zemljama. Da čuvate vaš identitet, vaše ime, vašu veru, vaš jezik, ali da poštujete i čuvate identitete svih drugih dečaka i devojčica u zemljama u kojima jeste. Ovo je najvažnija poruka koju danas želim da vam uputim. Samo na taj način mi možemo stvoriti u budućnosti jedan prostor u kome ćete vi imati izvesnost, u kome će vam biti lepo, u kome neće biti nevolja.
The same day, many benefactors and friends have socialized with the children, the participants of the Serbian Code, including the Consul General of Serbia in Chicago, Desko Nikitović, the father of the Serbian and world's best tennis player, Srđan Đoković, as well as guests from the region, President of the Serbian National Council, Milorad Pupovac, President of the Socialist People's Party of Montenegro, Srđan Milić, and others.
Raduje me što kroz ovaj kamp prođe i dosta djece iz Republike Srpske koji su godinama ovdje prisutni u različitim periodima. Ovaj put su djeca iz Grahova i Drvara, to su srpske opštine u Federaciji Bosne i Hercegovine, ali u svakom slučaju srpski nacionalni identitet i srpska nacionalna priča je nešto što nas ovdje okuplja i što je najvažnije od svega. Želimo da budemo uključeni u ovaj kamp u idućoj godini, već dogovaramo način na koji bi mogli pomoći da to dobije neke nove sadržaje koji bi mogli ojačati i doprinijeti tradiciju okupljanja na ovaj način ovdje.
Every day in the School of Friendship was amusing, thanks to the team of animators who took care for that and have organized numerous events and venues where children enjoyed. Imaginative hairstyles, karaoke, masquerade, games without frontiers, show what you know. It was instructive and interesting, the interactive lecture of the rabbin of the Jewish community of Serbia, Isak Asiel, who taught children about the tradition and culture of Israel. In the spirit of this friend country, it was organized the night of traditional games in the performance of the traditional dance group that showed children the basics of Israeli folk dances. In addition to daily entertainment activities, within the evening program for children was organized the play Our Children by Branislav Nušić, carried out by the Little Theater from the Tiny Suitcase and Bata the Smiley, as well as the exciting DJ evening. For all participants of the School of Friendship, it was organized a rich evening program with many amusing activities, contests and games. Concerts for the children were gift from Goca Tržan, Leontina and children's choir Čarolija and Neda Ukraden. Also, children had chance to meet the members of the motorcycle community BJ Bikers. The entire program of the School of Friendship was prepared and implemented by a professional team of Naša Srbija with the help of numerous assistants, doctors and medical staff of the Institute for Health Protection of Children and Youth Novi Sad, the Army of Serbia, and with the sincere hospitality of the Belibor Hotel of the military institution Tara. We thank to Banka Intesa and to all the benefactors and friends who made our friendship come true and for making children's stay on the Tara mountain very instructive, enjoyable and secure. A lot of new useful knowledge and skills, and above all wonderful friendships, games and carefree days to remember were shared between all participants of this big gathering, until the next summer, when School of Friendship will open its doors for 800 children from Serbia and the countries in the region, to the delight of all people involved in its creation.